Hey, it's Maria. So here's a question you have to ask yourself that's important. If you're going to use social media for your business, you need to make this decision, and this decision will help you to see how you will build your page and what you'll do with it. And here's a decision. What are you using this TikTok page for? And there's a couple options. Are you using it because you want paid affiliates to come greet you and pay you for products or services? Are you using it because you want to market yourself more to the industry and get more known within the affiliate industry? Are you doing because you have a product or service to sell? Are you using it because you have classes and things you want to market yourself and get well known in the industry? You need to make an actual decision for that, so then it's very easy for you to put together a little social media plan and a calendar, right? I use some scheduling apps so I know what I'm going to post to try to give you more information and more affiliate hacks and life hacks and tips. So make that decision and then do it.